Happy Sunday morning, everybody. Me and Ollie, we've got up nice and early, haven't we, Ols? And look how cosy we are. We got some nice snuggle blankets. Look at the softness of these.
Look, the softness.
And we are literally just cozying up on the snug sofa. I'm now about to watch UFC on the telly. George Masvidal versus
We
Nate
like Mr.
Diaz.
Bean.
And we often watch Mr. Bean as well, don't we? So this is beautiful. I'm now going to go get myself a coffee. Oh, it's going to be a lovely day, innit? Poor mummy's at work. Isn't she?
My the weak women.
What's daddy?
Not a weak woman.
I'm not a weak woman, am I?
No, you're a legend.
He's learnt well. So me and Ollie, we're going to address the big elephant in the room, this bad boy. We're going to tell you how we done it, aren't we? How did Daddy do this?
I don't know.
So, I was tickling Alba. She fell on the back of my head, and my head went into this. This is a weight for balloons, and if you can see, it's the perfect height. And it just cut into my head. Look at that. It's all sore, look. We've all just got ready in our navy tops. Here's Oz. We've got navy tops. Me and Ollie have got jeans. We're all looking lovely, aren't we? And did you do Daddy's head scratch?
And I'm going to show you something.
Go on then. Abs! Tense your abs!
Oh.
Look at them! Whoa! You strong? So, today, we found a new park, haven't we? This is the one near the James Badge Hospital, which is Mummy's work. Are we going to go? Yeah. Let's go! She's talking. Can you say dada? All this time she's been joking to us that she couldn't talk, but she can. Say dada. Say mum mum.
Mama.
Say.
Mama.
Ah, but where's your tongue? And where's your nose?
No.
Nose, yeah. And where's... Can you nod your head? Nod your head. Say no, 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 no. Say no, 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 I can't do that. And can I have a kiss? You did it, didn't you? And then say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say ta-ta. On to tea time now. Everyone's sitting down, ready for our meals. I have got fish with like some, I think it's dill sauce, something or other. That's basically a packaged meal, low in calories. Ollie has some fish fingers, some dippers, some waffles, so does Alba.
Ollie, you got to tell me. See?
Mummy, so this is... Mummy, what can you do at the weekend?
So I baked a cake for Albert on Friday.
Yeah.
And then we had a party. And then on Saturday we went to the arcades. And then Sunday I had to work. So Daddy was left with you two and he took you out, didn't he?
No, I am Daddy, but what shall we do at arcade?
Oh.
Hello, Alba. Or Alba.
We go on the zombie games, the Ghostbusters game, and all the 2p machines, don't we?
So guys, it's Bonfire Night, and we've decided to go on a late night walk, haven't we, Ames?
Yes, we
With Ols, and we are currently trying to view some fireworks, because we don't dare have them at our house, because last time we let a firework off, I set fire to the next door neighbour's house. Literally. Alba's in here, and we're just going on a late night walk, aren't we, Ols?
Yes.
We can hear him.
So we are just waiting for Mummy, aren't we? And then we're going to a firework display. Ooh.
And I'm going to wear my earphones. So they're so loud.
So here we are, firework night time, innit, Ols?
Woo!
Woo! What do you think, Ols? It's amazing. Samesy? Alba? Who's that? Who is it? Here I come. Hello! So it's that time of year where it happens very rarely. Me and Ames are going out on a date night, aren't we, Ames?
We are.
And the reason is we've now hit 4 weeks on our cut and diet, and we sort of planned this at the start as something to aim at. Amy's lost about 400 pounds. And I've lost nothing, but I'm ripping up and it's all good, so we're going to celebrate, okay?
With
An Indian. Lovely jubbly, see you there. All about angles. So here we are, having a lovely little drink together. Cheers, Ames. Black almond lemonade. So there we go, meal finished, beautiful. It's a little waterfall. Amy's tired, she's now going to fall asleep on the way home. And I haven't opened the car door yet.